Plug in the power cord and USB cable, Type-C cable. Start the machine. Double-click to open LightBurn. Connect the machine. COM port number is different for different computers. Step 1. Turn off the lamp in the machine. If the reflection is not strong in the case, cannot turn off the lamp directly from the second step. Click on the console. Type M13 to turn off the lights in the machine. Step 2. Calibrate the camera lens. Click on the window. Select camera control. Select camera control again on the console page. Select XCG C748-3V93. Move the mouse to the camera screen. Right-click the mouse and select Calibrate Camera Lens. Select XCG C748-3V93. Select Standard Lens. Click Next. Turn off Honeycomb check enabled. Click here to download the circular pattern image. Note, after the download is complete, print on A4 paper with a paper size of 140 mm x 110 mm. Place the printed circle in the center of the machine camera, as shown in the picture. Click on Capture. If the value is greater than 1, put the paper back in place and recapture. If the value is less than 1, click Next. The smaller the value, the more accurate the location. Follow the instructions in the picture to complete the next steps. Click Done when the operation is complete. Step 3. Calibrate the camera alignment. Place a piece of material that can be engraved in the center of the machine's working area and measure the size of the material. The material should be at least 200 mm square. Click Reset. Move the mouse to the camera screen. Click the right mouse button and select Calibrate Camera Alignment. Select Hover Camera. Select XCG C748-3V93. Click on Next. Enter the measured material parameters. Input the engraving parameters for the sector fill pattern. Input the engraving parameters for lines. Input the scale 70. The scale can be set according to the engraving range of the material. Determine the engraving range. Click Start after confirming that there are no errors. Click Next. You can move the laser head by clicking the button. You can also manually push the laser head to the upper left corner. Click on Capture Image. The 4 corners appear. Click Next. Zoom in on the markers and double-click on the center of the markers in order. Double-click on the center of the mark in sequence. Click Finish. Click on Update Overlay. Step 4. Setting the material engraving parameters. Add the material to be engraved or cut. Click Reset. Click on Update Overlay. Insert the desired image. Adjust the size of the image to be engraved. Note, the file to be engraved or cut must not exceed the camera range. Click on Layers. Set the engraving parameters according to the desired material. Click OK after setting. Determine the engraving range. Click Start after making sure there is no error.